We have learned how to add and subtract on a number line. Today we're going to use the process of decomposing our numbers to solve addition and subtraction problems. We have a word problem here. It says 3rd and 4th grade students are competing to sell the most candy bars. In total, the 3rd and 4th graders sold 509 candy bars. If 3rd graders sold 292 candy bars, how many candy bars did 4th graders sell? Write an equation that can be used to find the answer. Use your equation to find the solution. So I know that the total is 509. The 3rd graders sold 292, and I want to know how many the 4th graders sold. So I'm looking for the difference between 509, the total, and how many the 3rd graders sold to get to how many the 4th graders sold. So I know that this is going to be a subtraction problem of 509 minus 292. And as I said, we're going to be using decomposing today. So we're going to decompose 509 into 500 plus 0, because we have 0 tens, plus 9 for 9 ones. We're also going to do that for 292. We have 2 hundreds, 90, and then 2 ones. So I'm going to be subtracting each of the place values as we decomposed it. So 9 minus 2 would give me 7. I didn't have to regroup or anything. Now I have 0 tens and I want to take away 9 tens. I can't do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to borrow from the hundreds place. So I'm going to cross this out. I'm going to take away 100 from that. I'm going to put 100 right here. 400 plus 100 still gives me that 500. 100 minus 90 would give me 10. Now I have 400 minus 200, and that would give me 200. Now I'm going to put my number back together. 200 plus 10 plus 7 would be 217. So the 4th graders sold 217 candy bars. We're going to use that same strategy of decomposing to solve this other problem. It says Josu is traveling from Birmingham, Alabama to Savannah, Georgia. It is 147 from Birmingham to Atlanta, and then another 252 from Atlanta to Savannah. Altogether, about how many miles will Josu travel? So when we're looking at that, I know that I'm looking at altogether. I'm looking at adding, and I want to find the total, 252 and 147 miles. So I'm going to write an equation of 147 plus 252. I'm going to decompose those. 100 plus 40 plus 7 plus, let's see, we have 200 plus 50 plus 2. Now I'm going to add up all of these individual place values. So 7 plus 2 gives me 9. 40 plus 50 would be 90. 100 plus 200 would give me 300. And when I put those all back together, 300 plus 90 plus 9 would be 399. So altogether, the total distance traveled was 399 miles.